Welcome to Yardie Kitchen, and today we will be doing some Jamaican favorite fry fish, yeah? And this is part of the dinners for Lent season, and it culminates with Good Friday, Easter Sunday, and I'm doing some fish, so for Easter Sunday and thing. Alright, so what we have here is some snapper. We have 6 snapper, and what I have done with these snapper is pretty much wash and clean them, then I slice them on the bias, then I put salt and black pepper on these, and that's all you need, salt and black pepper. So you wash, clean them, put salt and black pepper, and then I have some more because fish hard forget. So I have some, I think this is grouper over here, and I'm basically doing the same thing. So I've been soaking these in salt in a little brine, you know, and these you would call these fish steaks. So you want to dry them, guys, you know. Make sure so you take out the excess moisture out of them. Yeah, look back again on the drying. Just take your napkin or a hand towel, and you just dry them. Pretty much get out the excess water, because these are going to be fried in oil. And you don't want the excessive amount of splattering. Alright, these are the steaks. You call these fish steaks here, Joshua.
There's bones in them?
Bone in them. But them easier to take out, you know. So I remember, folks, when you're feeding, if you're giving your kids fish, you know, in any type of fish, make sure say the bone them take out clean or whatever. Joshua, a big old boy, need to take out bone by himself. You understand what I say? Alright, so now what we have here is, you know, 3 garlic cloves. I'm gonna just simply crush them. I'm gonna put the skin and all, and then I wash them obviously. Then I have a scotch bonnet pepper there, but also wash that. I'll cut up a piece of that and put in there, and then I have some thyme. I'm gonna just put 1 sprig in the oil, and we just do that to flavor the oil a little bit. You understand, guys? So you just take out a decent sprig of thyme, and you just have to throw that in your oil, in your cooking oil. All right. And I'm using peanut oil, guys, because I'll research on the cooking oil, and not for the cooking oil is not good for you, you understand? Even the canola oil, when I think was a good oil, it's not good. So I use peanut oil here. You can use whichever oil you choose, but that I use. Alright, so add my garlic to my oil. And I can turn up my stove a little bit more. And you just want, you know, again, you don't want the oil come to the point where it's super burn. Watch it splatter, watch it splatter. And you just want it to a nice place, you know. And we use about say 1/4 cup of peanut oil, and I'm using a non-stick pan as well. Hopefully it not stick. So you know them are nowadays non-stick pan. Alright. So make us see what I want. Okay, so my stuff is ready, and I'm gonna put my fish in. And you want to put your fish away from you. You notice I'm putting down away from me. Yeah, because you don't want to burn up yourself. You understand? I'm going to mix them. I just want, you know, try to put as much as I can in the pot, you know. And when you put in your fish, guys, don't touch it. Just make it stay there and cook. You know? Just make it stay there and cook. You can turn up your heat a little bit if it you know, want to, and monitor it, keep an eye on it, but just don't move it up and down. Make the sides of the fish cook properly before you move it. And then once everything is golden brown, maybe about 15 minutes on each side. You know, judge it based on the brownness, how brown it becomes, and then you can take from this. Alright? So guys, my fish has been fried, and I just put them in a container now. You notice I put them like a vegetable at the bottom. That's how me like to do my thing, you know. You don't have to do it so. Alright. I'm just try to set them in the thing now. Nice and neat, you see. Alright. And then I also did fry some grouper. You know, you have to stretch your thing, so you get the regular fish, and then you get your little grouper. Put on the side, you see. Yeah, well on there. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. You see that? Alright, and then I have my pickle pepper sauce now. I'm pretty much so I pick up pepper sauce here. And the link and me make it. The link to this is gonna be at the top of the screen. And I'm gonna show you the finishing, you see. Alright guys, see the finishing there. I tell you the truth. It look good. I'm gonna put some pickled jalapenos and some of my pickle pepper on it. Yeah, see the pickle pepper there. Yeah man, I zoom in on the pickle pepper a little bit. And 3 different kind. This one have the purple carrot, and that's why it have the color here. This is the regular traditional one. And this is beetroot. Yeah, the spiral beetroot. Yeah man. But see the fish, yeah? This is how the fish turn out. And you know me always oomph it up, do my little thing. So I warm my pickle pepper sauce, and I pour it over it. And I put some fresh vegetables on it too as well. And I just go cover this with a file paper and I make it permeate. Alright, yes, I know the word is permeate. But me have to build my own word. So please don't come for me. Alright, well, so make it soak. You don't want to eat this right away. You want to leave it a little bit, make it soak. You understand what I say? And then you're going in on it. Remember me tell you, yeah? Fry fish, escovitch sauce, Yardie belly in a foreign. Peace out. Have a merry Easter. I mean a happy Easter, holy Easter. And God bless each and every one of you.